How you can customize control panel on your Mac. So in macOS you can customize your control panel on your own. All you need to do is to just open it. It should be in your menu bar on the right next to the time and date, this icon. So simply open it, and this is my control panel. Mine is not customized at all. If you want to customize it, down here click Edit Controls, and this is it. On the right you can see empty spaces. Here you can search any controls you want. You can scroll down, scroll up, and find all that controls which you can add and customize your control center. For example, here's the battery control. You can grab it and move it here. You can grab here capture screen and many others controls. If you want to, for example, remove it, there is the minus, so we want to click it and it's gonna remove that control from your control center. So you can do it on your own. Also from this window, if you want to, for example, add this control not to control center but to your menu bar, you can do it also here. So you can customize not only the control center but also the menu bar. Then click done to finish the process and you are finished. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video and see you next time.